Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect a Godaddy domain to Lovable AI. First, open your web browser and search for Godaddy. Now, visit the top link in the search results. It'll give you a search bar on which you can tap the domain you want. Here, search for custom Godaddy in the search bar. If it does not show any results, you can change the spelling and search for custom GDDY. It'll show you the price along with the Make It Yours button. After that, click on it and copy its name. On the other tab, visit the Lovable AI website. On the top, click on the pointed icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Then, select the domains and it'll show you the Add Existing Domain option. Now, click on Connect Domain and you can update the requirements. It'll offers a free plan for $0, the Pro plan for $25, and the Teams for $30. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.